guys, it's SwiftGold here, and today, long time no see in the videos, and so mostly it's raining outside, but I'm in the garage right now, and it's like mostly gotta be like a little sore mostly. And here's some so we play soccer mostly, yeah, mostly, let me see, there, that's what we do. I don't know, like, I'm shivering, that goes my teeth, and I'm on pajamas right now, and it might be gotta go, bye.